Good night. Stars Step 4. Becoming a reflective learner. Item the reflective uh, points and this is why. I took quality time to study and deeper my activity. 1. Now I need to dedicate more time to the activity. I use the tools and extra material given for the activity. 1. I rely on the media for the translation of certain words. I participate I participated in the web conference about the activity. 2. Participated in an STT, student talking time. I made my contributions actively and one time in the discussion forum. 1. Don't make a contribution on time. I did my best to present an excellent, complete, and on-time final word. 1. The light time is spent by my best to present that activity. Thank you very much.